Adia baako a ɛha adwene kakra na etwa sɛ yɛka ho asɛm biem na yɛnya ɛka ekosisi yehu sɛ improvement aba ɛyɛ Galamsey ho nsɛm na Ghana ɛbɛto odwa last week sɛ ɔman no yɛabɔ yɛn ho mmɔden na ne akosi ne sɛ ye good yɛde kwa man so no ɛsɛ yɛ production no ɛkɔsoro enti sɛ wo hwɛ a ewiase nyinaa Ghana yɛpɛ wɔn a wɔn produce gold paa no a Ghana free ɛyɛ 17th position no aba 6 meaning say ye gold no ye produce paa in fact oba Africa hakra no a now ye betwa ɛyɛ South Africa and some other countries ɛwɔ ɛkyerɛw sɛ ye gold coast sɛm no captain band ne deɛ sesei yagye gold no ye kwa adwaman so di gold ma mu sɛ ye wo gold ankasa we are producing gold more largest production na we kyerɛ yɛn sɛ sika akɔ de bi wa metie IMF ɛyɛ one representative of man mu asɛm a no wɔka ne sɛ economy no ensesan ya yehu yɛse policy rate aba fam inflation no maboɔ no ɛyɛ yi no enso agina kakra ɛne yɛsidi no agina ɛna other economic indicators are improve ni nyina no papa yi one Bernard Avle kasa do kyerɛ sɛ good ho adwadie ɛna agina so poten a ɛma sansankyerɛ no yehu ɛkyerɛ sɛ sika akɔ no ehu hia yɛn ɔbɔ ade de ama yɛn ɛso wɔ mfaso na ye gold production no yɛwɔ ɛkwan ahodoɔ bebree ɛfa so ɛba wɔn yɛ na kɛseɛm large scale for ɛne wɔn nso a small scale for a wɔn nso gum ɛyɛ mu dodoɔ no a ne yɛ wɔn nso ɛgya wɔn a wɔn nkɔ register so wɔn yɛ small scale wɔn yɛ hwan wɔn nso hyehyɛ mu yɛ de wɔn pɛ no wɔn nso nenam nkyɛnkyɛn na emom ne nkrataa mu ne tumi kwan so no mutumi ɛwɔ preti yie no ɛwɔ large scale for no wɔn tu na kɛseɛ mu paa na small scale for no so a wɔn nso wɔ hɔ a wɔn nso etu bi a yenya ɛde kabo mu na yɛde kɔ amanhodoɔ so na awiase adwaman so a ɛnɛ yi ɛma yɛ saa record no but whilst your production increase no two main factors ɛma yɛhu sɛ Ghana ɛnɛ yɛ free 17 ɛtumi aba 6 no two main factors asadeɛ wɔ medwene ho a metumi hu yɛ ne sɛ one gold board no a ɛba yɛ no nso ka ho ne mmara a yɛyɛ a gold board di jujuma no ɛka ho ne nti ɛte saa ne sɛ ɛwɔ mmara ne mu no obia ni kwan so obetumi di gold afa kwati kwan so akoton agye sɛ wa ton ama gold board ananse otumi krata odi tu gold onya ni gold no a gold board ebeto enya sa ontumi fa kwati kwan so na gold board mandate ni so bi ni sɛ obe stop smuggling isika kokɔ no a wɔm de fa kwati kwan so koton no Jeff, if you can get that document for me just about 2 days there no gold wa ye smuggle free o man mu de kɔ no na o man hwere $11.4 billion $11.4 billion between 2019 to 2024 sika ya hwere ye wo gold wa manfo wia de fa suma se de kɔ a ɛno no kyerɛ sɛ na regulations no nhye da nya yi dindindin ti no smuggling ne kɔ so saa bɛni ukɔfa baabia na enye gold board wa kɔton ama wo mu a emra no ni ubedi ebechew na no mete se mia mi nua pani nana janto eka se onya experience bi wo airport wa Lebanese fo bi edi gold ne ekɔ a omo de aso omo bag mu a omo frɛ national security fo beche omo ewo Accra airport ekire wo se smuggling no ekoso bebre not this one but DNT na ekoso because na yanyiri yemre mu se ye betumi e de abo ho bra stop smuggling no a na ebo ye ka no over $11.4 billion it is say no gold na say wo mo mpeso mo wiade fa kwati kwan no akoye den kakra because of the existence of gold board Etiema yenya ye gold no eka boa no ha. Thank you, this one. 2019 to 2024, 11.4 billion ye lose through smuggling. Etienne den man crofo so betimi atwe afam bebre. Te se kane no. Etiema yetimi nya gold no de kwa adwaman so nti akwa apie ewo world market wo no ene other data eyina efam ma yetimi register ehunu no se ye de ne wosoro. And I'm not surprised say yes ye free 17 for basis. Ebi kura no a nanka six position ye nya da between 2019 to 2024 but smuggling na doso. Etiema ye ntimi nya gold ni nyina fa nkonkrata mu se fa nkrata mu yetimi aka se Ghana de bebre by German so because man for the firm so ni nyina afri Ghana ha no mo de afa other country borders no mo de kono ma ko ton smuggling kra. Another ayinso a ebetumi aka hu bi ama ye hu this appreciation na increase no so eye gold wa yentimi trace ni ye say free Galamsey mu say free small scale mu say free large scale mu large scale ni small scale no kra de ya na ni hunu no ebi wo ho a yayi kakra but dodo no a bi nso wo ho a Galamsey fo ya nso bi ehihye mu a omunya no mo de ama license o mo kura license fo ni bi anya wo mo na akotuo no mo akoton no mo so ama mo share and we yes business ni wom it increase na bade but we should also be mindful say increase na ye nya no gold no aye say ye tu ama na do so okuro mu ha no e kwan ba na ye fa so nya gold no is also very important. Say production na rise here the way ye produce no ye kwan pass one now we are expanding but we should also be careful and now say we should be bothered about how gold no ye fa so enya no because who said the biggest concern right now ne say yate emrantie agum asrafo a ohwe ba bi ebinom nam a so mo nko prevent Galamsey but who say kwa wo mo ko ni nyina no ene wo bete no aha na mo hyewo o matimi adidi ama na anu ya ye ka danso asekwa na ye agenda 111 nanim ewu kurum kra bosomtwe de na anu bi e befa mu a wonu ko hu wo esoro ho ba bi bebrebe yanke ya bebre ni Ashanti region wututu ani a enya asem ketwa ekire wo say yenya gold no yes ye gold will increase your world market ama yetimi aba position we die but we should also be concerned say most of the gold no yenya no efri the traceability is very very much important. Now asrafo we je for mo to so mai hwe ba bia wo mo nam a 9 months for say wo gunsuo imu say edien they are suffering omo namu ekọ site akore say amanfo enye Galamsey no and all these things omo namu ti omo kakra
na wora kaku
aha hefa
forest
we are den wa ajuma be na
Galamsey
the crossing we are den wa
Galamsey na we no ha forest na we ajuma
ha na do ba
we bien fine ba no ma wo shi ma bo pepe na say na say nya la
ba se onim se ha ye wura ha onim se ha ya ban sa se
aban
obi ama krata se be Galamsey wa
na bi
the crossing we are den wa
kasa
Galamsey
the crossing
yo hwa akwai kura abo a wabo no se wodi hyewura mu watu datie na de abo ne bo rede dini enzo omububo mudi zo omutu Galamsey wo omo hyewo but the problem is that sa emrantie ya wo mo asrafo ekoto wo mo ayi ni sa emrantie we no they are not the problem efidie no a etutu fam no wa brantie we ye wo gina we wasa kura so akɔhye jesia se abrantie we wo ska odeto excavator wo ska odeto sem fidie na yeditu no but these are the people you be arrest wo living the right people na say echi wo ma ade no ekofem no those in the bush no they are not the problem omuma ye bush no ye insase na say of we a forest reserve no makowura mu no wo mo say ho no eye nkrofo eche condition mu bebiri wo mo sika ewu krom etimi to excavators etimi to excavators eto mfidi akese eno mo de akomo mu owura mu ho no mama mo sika bi se mo labor wo mo adwuma mo ye wura mu ho o mo twa mo ka mo so pe bibia die nti eno mo hye wura mu amrante wi wo no mo sa adwuma no but the mo shase na nkasa wo ho a we are not concerned about them ene gusua na ekoso nti ene Galamsey na be yeda to the extent say a blue water gas wo mu no enanu ya mampani aban pa wo mu se saa mranti ayafo mo adwuma yi wo mu nko ginagina ho na ensuo wa ye wo ma mu nyina wo mu mo ho ban engade ensuo ni se be ya obi nko ye Galamsey wo ensuo ni mu no se de ensuo no mo nko hwe no o mo de adane bribe je because o ma say Galamsey no emu ade empanifo na se brade no krade are not doing it wo ma say nei wo mu say prevent no kura no foaso ma Galamsey ne koso nti ene ye nyina ye de ho bagim se de so fu bi preaching tie no ene wo mu so de o mo wagim because we are not ready to fight it. I say, ye there, kun, any idea, and yen shada Emma, it almost when you say lucrative, and omo ye just form to sumaye. A man tell Makumako and kun blue water gas for I do ma kose omo yen suwa ho bai no. San crofo no akwajeje bribe by your omo so omo ye 9 months for woman ye. Ebi ase say it is a military company ade blue water gas. No omo nam no omo jeje bribes. On baby edu. What is when we say because empanifo no so mo ye hu bibi no ankasa no ene ye chi excavator chances number wo hu ye betumi ehu de ye ne dia ye ko site wa ye chi mrantie kura no a edi yon bebo nyina no empanifo beti chese hu ba bi efa prosecution say ye koso nyina ye nti say big man bi say ebia enye ni papa ko pe na Galamsey wo kurumu ha. And you see that I cartel bia I say ye there kun empanifo mpese betu ho na more than din Mampenina kai say we enye nkura ya ya twa mu no muhia but there are big men sponsoring that Galamsey in the bush. One way excavators aya chini kromu nyina na ye say ye serious ye ko port and harbor na yakohwe e fa hin ne ba ye ko DVL registration ye kohwe ye ko kwan fa so a nipa okoyi free port license no kura kwan fa so otimi fa mu okoje permit otimi de fa kwan mu ni adede ko ye nyina ye kohwe ye be hu nipa ye ne de na nke ya che no but because empanifo no bi mfa ho omo a hye omunza no wono mo mfa ho ekon no mo mfa ho. Eti blue water gas ne hu say wo mo so hye wura mu wo no mo se ye mebo nsuo hu bai ba mo so na mo ala nkrofo be se nsuo ne ye te sa de ye nyina de ye hu ogim ene wo mo so je bribe no wo nsuo mu wo mo ni nipa nkono wo ba Facebook wo mo ne da ho no wo mo so je ni a hye ye ho ye se ye mra na mo impersonate 9 mosofo wo ba bia ye du no look at where we are today ene Galamsey pit amena no matutu no a ye nkata aso no because ono obegini sika wia o tu fem no no wia gold no wia o wia because Galamsey kwa so illegal nti wa wia no o tu free asase ni mu de kwa na wagya ho na adane owu amena de amayen Ghana for as we speak. Come to Facebook Ashanti region kwa hwenipa wo mu awuo ato amena mu awu Ashanti region. Galamsey pits have claimed the lives of 23 people. Nipa o sabe enye nyan nipa nkwa nipa makomako aduonu miensa wo amena yetu a yenkata so ne ade no wo mu akotom awu including ahana emeya no because wo ba utie mi wo ye pani a esa wo so kunkun ni bi no utie mi se wo so wo ba entika wo bati area ni mu bi ho ene ye beka kire wo se wato amena mu awu a 11 children enkwala du baako o mawu akose Galamsey amena mu ene da ho no nyamena meka. That is the data. Now I know said you matimi recording pony ye report no. You see where we are. Enyame nwanwa because school down ho kra na yetu Galamsey. It's unacceptable say obi be sense ase no tu sika na kodi na yen taxpayers now no you see 800 acres yakọ reclaim. Why sika na yediko ye yen to a yetuatua no and yediko reclaim land na de obi tu sika no the go just say onu no kodi sika no na yetuo no anke yedi besi schools yedi besi hospitals yedi be ya no mapa no enu ne yedi ko katakata amena so na penimfo ne big men no mo hyase ni bia wo mo ye Galamsey no a wo mo tu kwan bone so no mo tutu ko no mo kodi sika no. Look at people dying, 23 people, including 11 children. Article 257, no. Eka bibi chreyen. Jeff Ubenya Mamia, Article 257, no. of our 1992 constitution. Okay, be the simple thing is that yensase Dev Mr. Show Mami why unya fatu sumami. I forgot to get it out. Article 257 1 any 2 no. Actually say yensase any mwa gudie nyina yen Ghana fo ne yedea nemum yede ni nyina de yenam yetumi so yeko promote tumi yede yi mampani a yede ni nyina de hye mampani ne nsa se mampani ne mo ho ban yensase no edi mu bobre wo mu nyina you are investing it in the president of the republic. And so I see politicians say omo kasa se Galamsey no how but the action proactiveness ayebeye towards fighting the Galamsey no ediwo me say until say excavators na free port wa ya chichichi na yede akosisi wo no yebe trace chances numbers na timi a chinkrofo a wo mu import by na aka say oh this is an importer yebe report for say oh when na de ade no ba plan. You are not serious. Yeah. You are not serious with the fight against Galamsey. If you are only arresting, going the same way, and you are 1,500 in the article 257. Public lands and other public properties. All public lands in Ghana shall be vested in the president on behalf of and in trust for the people of Ghana. 2, also for the purposes of this article and subject to clause 3 of this article, public lands include any land which immediately before the coming into force of this constitution was vested in the government of Ghana on behalf of and in trust for the people of Ghana for the public service of Ghana, and any other land acquired in the public interest for the purposes of the government of Ghana before, on, or after that date. Tia back into force one. Yadini nyinasha wonsa. From 7th of January 2025, the lands and resources went into the hands of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We cannot be crying, say, Galamsey, where we know what to do. But yenye. Ghana, ye produce gold. Yes, you better to seize. But the celebration should also call for thinking through why ye first one, ye nyansa gold no bebre no a ebo ya baso adwama so. A very, very much important. It's not all about the celebration. And me maka, and I repeat, say, by the end of 2026, me man to say, sa kesifo beya miensa bi wo a yachi wo mu akase nkrofo we die wo mu na pia Galamsey ya ana wo mu na sponsor nkwala ya yachi wo mu gugura mu bi na say news no ama. I will see this government as not serious about fighting Galamsey, and I will see this government as covering people who are involved in Galamsey, because kingpins na mampeni na bo mudi no mo. Ghana police ye competent, investigative bodies e wokromu are competent power, because obi timi du bone omu timi ye beche it is ankrofo omu nyini pom betimi adwane anaso mbeyira. We can and we must, and I've said see it 2027 na say ya netia I wouldn't hesitate. Say the king of Galamsey yes no. Mebo mampeni din afrem. And he must call these appointees to order. Na omutumi fight Galamsey. And yes sir, beginning of 2027 said ye Galamsey yitie ya na ekodia. His Excellency, I will name you as the king of Galamsey. Yes. That's my words for you. Every
Nhyira 104.5 FM.